Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Afiq. This is Kimi and Zikri.
Yeah.
Alright, we now also do the assignment English Provision 2 about the tip is nature and the topic is natural in UUM. Now, we at the Sungai Bukit Kaci UUM Sintok, Kedah. You can see that. Okay, Kimi, how about you in nature, at the nature?
Okay, as you can see, we are in Sungai Kaci right now. There is a river in beside me, and also there is some rocks. So this is based on what our theme is, nature, as you can see. So I will move on to Zikri. Zikri, do you want to tell us something?
So if you can see this place is very nice. You can see this. What this hut? So not just one. You have a 3 hut. 4 hut. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And so have a mat. So have you can feel comfortable. Not just hut. You just follow me now. If you want to cook or you want to wash your hand, have a sink. So if you want to cook or wash your hair after you eat, so they have a sink, table and seat. You can sit here and look the view. The nature is very nice. Then you can feel better. They have a mosquito and toilet. Why we choose here? Because more convenience. Have the place is very clean. So I think why our team choose here. So very nice lah. Just what can I say to you? Okay. Okay, Afiq. Now how about you, Afiq?
Okay, for me, in the Sungai Kaci, you can healing or feeling like you at the beach, and you cannot go to the Kuala Place to healing at the beach. So you just spend our minute to go the Sungai Kaci, also near the Band Raya resident, like 2 kilometer, and the nature is so look very nice, and you can healing to release your stress about your assignment, your life, and anything, because the nature can give you more positive minded to be positive. Okay, thank you. Okay, hi. Okay, this is next point. In the peak of Bukit Bunga Raya UUM Sintok. Oh, so tired and high to hiking in here in Bukit Bunga Raya. Also take time in 20 to 30 minutes also. You can see the view from the Bukit Bunga Raya. Okay, Kimi, how about you?
So I'm so exhausted right now for this for hiking at the hills. As you could see, Bukit Bunga Raya are near at UUM, so students are available to come to this Bunga Raya hills to experience this themselves. As you could see, why it called Bukit Bunga Raya, because there is a lot of flower at Bunga Raya. As you could see over there, that is Bunga Raya. That's why it's called Bunga Raya Hills. Okay. So that's all for me. For Zikri, what are your opinions about this hill?
Hey Zikri.
So I'm Zikri.
Hey.
So my opinion, after my friend say Afiq very tired, just hiking like 20 to 30 minutes. So after we very tired to hiking, so you can look at a chair, sit, and also have a hut. If you can sit here, and if you very tired and you can feel better after you in your top in the Bukit Bunga Raya. So you can see the view very nice. You can look it's Sijida Sintok, Bukit Kaci and UUM. So UUM is very nice. And here many people come here to take a photo, selfie and OOTD. This is the trademark of Bukit Bunga Kaci, Bukit Bunga Raya. Sorry, Bukit Bunga Raya. This is trademark for people to take the photo. So that's all for me. Thank you.
For the UUM student, I suggest you to come here and try to hiking at Bukit Bunga Raya. But for the trek also easy, just jungle trekking. But also long to hiking. And how, Zikri?
So for beginner, you want to try hiking. I think there is a place we suggest because the track is like Afiq said, is easier and near for from UUM, just 300 meter, and the
From gate.
bottom to top is 130 meter. So I think easy for beginner to hiking in this place.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, now we are hiking, going down to from the peak to the hill.
Very tired but we are very fun.
We fly with nature. You can see that nature is so
Very nice view
nice, and I suggest to come.
for students in UUM to come here.
Yes, and on to
Experience itself.
our morning to see the sunrise. Hi.
Finally, we here in top of Puncak Vista. So you can see the view.
Nature right, nature right.
You can see this is Dewan Mas. You can see the Dewan Mas in UUM.
Okay, this nice view. Just take a short time, our 1 to 2 minutes only to hiking to the
Puncak Vista.
top of Puncak Vista,
Yeah.
and also have a chair to relax. Can like okay?
Yeah.
How about you, Kimi? How you feel?
So I think it's a nice view from the Inasis, as you could see from here. At the same time, student can relax by bathing with nature in their surroundings. So I think it's a best place for students to relax their mind if they are stresses.
Yes, and the student can come. Also, is short because at the place is very near from the student and also near at the Varsity Mall and Inasis Maybank. So you all can see the view of in the Puncak Vista. Can see.
So you all can come anytime you want.
And you all can come anytime, anyone.
Yeah. You can come anytime you feel
Because the
stressed.
Vista in UUM, not outside in UUM.
And you can also walk from the Varsity Mall and come here. Yeah, you all can try this. Bye.
Bye.
Woo!
Very fun.
Hiking.
Yeah.
Is better.
For today. So after we tired hiking, so our second last destination in what you call?
Taman Rusa or in English, Deer Park.
Park.
Alright.
So you can see the cute animal. Many of deer. You see the people.
We are in the Taman Rusa Park.
So as you could see, we are giving the deer food right now, and there also a moose. That means the male deer. Also.
Sabar lu. Jangan lu, aku dah cakap ni.
Kan tak makan tadi.
After we tired, and then tired to the hiking, see the flora and fauna. So now we in here, deer park. So you can see the cute animal. But we forget to bring food to give the deer. But we turn to the uncle, give the what to call?
Kangkung.
This is called sayur kangkung vegetables.
Kangkung vegetables.
Yes.
So now time to give the cute deer.
Cute dia.
So you could see here, they are so absolutely hungry.
So I think she is hungry. I think she or he are very hungry. So you can see.
You can listen to her.
How about you, Kimi?
So I think in nature, animals and human cannot be separated because we live in one earth. So in one earth, we have to cooperate and help each other. So in the ecosystem, like protecting the animal. Also, at the same time, we are protecting the world itself. So I think this is important for us to care about other animals and also plant, and also for ourselves, as we have stabilized the nature and the ecosystem itself. So, do you guys has any opinion beside me? Oh,
Kimi say the nature cannot describe. Okay, for UM student, you can come at the Taman Rusa near the sports center and Yayasan Al-Bukhari resident, and you can see that not for UM student only. The visitor also can come and give food for the deer. You say that for the uncle come with their dogger. Hai, daughter. Adik, berapa adik?
bagi makan. Okay.
Adik, what are you doing?
I'm giving the deer sweetie.
Okay. Wow, so cute. Okay. Okay, for the last destination at the
Upstage area in front in the mass resident, you can see. I'm sure majority student have come here before this. I have a tree of ostrich. What you Kimi about this area?
So I think it's fascinating to come here at Ostrich area. As you could see, the male here are flipping the wings for a mating ritual for the females over there. So we are coming at the mating season, I think. So yeah, this male is doing the ritual dance mating for the females right now.
Oh.
So this is kind of interesting right now to see this kind of event. So Afiq, do you want to say anything? Or Zikri, do you want to say something?
Okay, Afiq, you can say anything?
Okay, they have a 2 pair of ostrich, and I think it is a female. And
Man, I think man.
Also doing the dance. Also dance. Like that. Okay.
Jangan.
Okay, I think they look also aggressive and also.
The male look kind of aggressive right now because the mating season is coming on this month. So it's kind of dangerous for us to go nearing them. So it's better for.
Okay, for the conclusion, the natural it can give to treat your health, mental health, and the green can give more motivation and energy. So, for the student you can come the place where we are also suggest for you, and many place, and this the very nice place to you come and enjoy your nature. Okay, Kimi, how about you?
So I think nature not just helping us like overcome the mental illness, but also nature help us to see more, to view more. That not just our world are not just based on digital, but also based on the nature itself. So I think is important for people to go out and see the nature more than playing with digital gadget itself. So how about you, Zikri?
So our last word is we need to appreciate such nature, such as plant and animal toward the earth. So thanks to watch our movie. That's all for us. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
See you next time.